Iberian explorer, Viking Vela, January 2026.
Once again, hello from Viking Vela. Tonight I decide to have another go. Actually, I decide to be the last try and have dinner in the main dining room on board the Viking Vela, the restaurant. And I will have indigestion, not because of the food, but because of the fact that it's nothing to criticize about dinner tonight. And let me tell you what I had. I started with foie gras terrine, which was smooth, which was rich, was absolutely fabulous texture. So I enjoyed so much. But even if I disagree a little bit with the adds-on the plate, the foie gras terrine was absolutely amazing. For the main course, I decided to go for chicken parmigiana. And believe me, it was almost a perfect balance between the juicy chicken, the vibrant taste of the tomato sauce, and of course the bubbly, creamy mozzarella with those little hints of parmesan added to the entire dish. Okay, according to my taste, I would like the breading to be a little bit more crispy, but the main course, the chicken parmigiana, was absolutely perfect. The only thing that you can criticize, it's the size, was enormous. But once again, I try to don't forget that Viking target the product to a certain market that they are not very concerned with the calorie intake. Let's put it like that. And for dessert, I have cannoli. The famous Sicilian dish was exactly like the one that I had a week ago in Palermo. The ricotta was rich. You can feel the orange zest, the flavor of the oranges, the fresh oranges was very, very nice. What I will remove was the layer of chocolates that they were used to decorate, because the strong dark chocolate, which was delicious, was overwhelming a little bit, covering a little bit the flavor of the main part of the dessert. But what can I say? I had a feeling tonight that exactly like in Star Trek, you know, when you press your chest and you are transported in a completely different dimension. The restaurant tonight was a completely different experience than the restaurant last night. The only thing that need to be polished a little bit, but you know what they said, perfect as the enemy of good was the service, because I still had to wait 20 minutes for a host to appear and find available table in an absolutely empty restaurant. And the service was not very efficient and a little bit distant, was lacking the genuinity that you'll expect in such a venue. It was more on the diner style than on a premium cruise line experience. But what can I say? It was an absolutely fantastic dinner. And first time since I boarded Viking Vela in Barcelona, I can say that I cannot wait for dinner tomorrow in the restaurant. Thank you very much to everybody there.
Iberian explorer.